good afternoon, good night. Sophia's way here with the video. I just wanted to share with you a shish kebab recipe done by my daughter-in-law. And I have a mask on because I'm in their house, my son and my daughter-in-law's house. So I have to have my mask on today. But I just wanted to share with you the recipe that she's putting together for the shish kebab. It looks beautiful. I just wanted to share it. All right, this is it. It's already marinated. The seasoning is on it already. That's how it looks. It's coming along. And I'm gonna see if I can get her on camera so she could share a little recipe. Oh yeah, okay y'all. Y'all seen her before. She was in the what's in our speedy bag in my video together.
Hello,
and here we go. That's my son right there. So tell me your recipe.
So I'm making chicken kebabs and shrimp kebabs. For the chicken, I created a marinade that I found online. I think it's 1/4 olive oil, 1/4 honey, 1/4 soy sauce, a tablespoon of minced garlic. You can add salt and pepper to taste if you want, or you can add brown sugar. It's up to you. And I marinated the chicken in that for about an hour. And, the chicken and my vegetables. So I use yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and onion. And I marinated all of that in that sauce for about an hour. And now I'm just assembling it together. For my shrimp, I'll get my mother-in-law to show y'all the ingredients. And I'm just taking the same marinade and coating it on the shrimp as it's on the grill. So I didn't let that sit in there, but I'll have her to show y'all the ingredients I used for the shrimp. Not too much, things you can find in a store. But yeah, so we're gonna put them on a grill and see how they come out.
All right. So there you go. This is the before. And I will show you what the after looks like. So stay tuned. And yes, we all practicing safety first. See the mask. We're not from the same household, so we're practicing safety first. Stay tuned. All right, here we go. He's based in the shish kebab. Asparagus. Alright. It's my fun doing the cooking. Alright, this is the first batch. Looks delicious. Asparagus is ready. Okay, this is the chicken shish kebab and the shrimp shish kebab. So tender, so delicious, very good flavor. All right, y'all, this is my plate. I'm trying to eat light. So this is what I will be eating right now. I know I will be getting more shish kebabs, but I just wanted to show you how it came out. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. The food came out very tender, delicious, very good flavor. And I'll see you in my next video.